Hello and welcome back. So in this video, I will take the Gmail as an example for this window handles method. So now I will create one class. Window handle method, and I will create so copy this. So I will retrieve the parent ID. See, get window handle, and also return type will be the string. Okay. So here return type is string, and I will store it into one variable. See, now let me execute this one. Let's see whether we are getting the expected result or not. Okay, Gmail open, only one parent window. Okay, as of now open. So we have not written driver.close, so that's why not closed. But if you look at console, see, the ID got generated. So this is the random ID which will be generated for the parent window. It will keep on changing by the Selenium. Okay, so here next we will use get window handles method now. For handling the multiple windows, so I will try to find the locator values for privacy and terms. So I will identify privacy, terms, and about Google. Okay, 3 windows I will open. So I will perform click action. Now Gmail opened, and next it will try to click on help, and next privacy, and next about. So help. So three windows opens. So how to get the ID of these three windows means, so I need to get the collection of all the windows. So whenever you get in the mind the collection, then definitely you need to use set or list. Driver dot get window handles. So if you observe here, the return type is set. So it will return the set of window handles which can be used to iterate all the opened windows. Okay. Now import this from the Java util package. Now I'll print. Now I'm executing. Let's check whether we are able to get all the collection of all the window IDs whichever window we opened. Three windows opened. Now if you look at console, see the three IDs got printed. This is for first window, and this ID is for second, and third ID for third window open. So in this way we can get the collection of window IDs